Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need to start by verifying your device and preparing software. The iPhone 13 Pro Max does not include native Touch ID, so you must use an external, certified fingerprint accessory. Once done, update iOS and install the Accessory Maker's app. This ensures compatibility and security. Make sure your Bluetooth and location are enabled, and that both phone and accessory have at least 50% battery. Now open the Accessory app and follow its Pair New Device prompts to begin enrollment. You will see step-by-step prompts in the Accessory app. Allow Bluetooth and any permissions it requests so pairing completes. Then start fingerprint enrollment. Place the pad of your finger on the sensor, lift and rotate to capture 3-4 angles. This builds a robust template that improves accuracy. Make sure to include dominant and alternate fingers if you want redundancy. Once enrollment finishes, name the profile clearly and choose Actions, Unlock Phone, Unlock Apps, or Authorize Payments, so the accessory knows how to apply the fingerprint. Finish by testing the unlock flow several times. Try waking the phone and using the accessory to authenticate. If you get frequent false rejects, re-enroll the finger, making sure to capture edge angles and consistent pressure. Make sure the sensor and your finger are dry and clean. Oil or moisture causes failures. If problems persist, update the accessory firmware and app, reboot both devices, and repair. One key tip: if rejects exceed about 10% after retries, contact the accessory support for a replacement or calibration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.